Adding Apple Pay to your Uber account can enhance your payment options and streamline your transactions. Follow these simple steps to integrate Apple Pay seamlessly. To begin, open the Uber app on your device. Once launched, navigate to the Account section by tapping on the Account option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Within the Account section, locate and tap on the Wallet option. Here you'll typically find options to manage your payment methods. However, it's important to note that, as of now, there isn't an option to directly add Apple Pay within the Uber app. When you attempt to add a payment method, you'll notice that Apple Pay is not listed among the available options. Unfortunately, this means that you cannot add Apple Pay directly to your Uber account at this time. Instead, you can utilize the available payment methods provided within the Uber app for your transactions. And that's it. While adding Apple Pay directly to Uber isn't currently supported, you can still make use of the available payment methods to complete your rides.